For as long as humanity has existed, we've looked to the stars, searching for answers. Are we alone in this vast and seemingly endless universe? Are there other civilizations out there, watching the cosmos as we do, or perhaps even attempting to reach out? Over centuries, we've sent signals, listened for faint whispers, and gazed into the night sky, hoping for a sign. But on October 19th, 2017, the universe responded, not with a signal, but with a visitor. An object unlike anything we had ever encountered entered our solar system, moving at a speed and along a path that made it clear. This wasn't a typical asteroid or comet. This was something from deep interstellar space, and it left us with more questions than answers. Astronomers first spotted the object using the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Maui, Hawaii. Equipped with one of the most advanced cameras in the world, Pan-STARRS is constantly scanning the skies for near-Earth objects, asteroids, comets, or anything else that could pose a threat to our planet. But what the observatory detected on that day was not an ordinary object. Initially, it appeared as a faint point of light moving rapidly across the sky. Its speed and trajectory revealed something extraordinary. This object wasn't bound to our solar system. It had come from somewhere far beyond. They named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning a messenger from afar arriving first. And a messenger it was, a piece of interstellar space passing through our celestial neighborhood. But what message did it carry? And what story could it tell us about the universe beyond the sun's influence? Scientists immediately began studying its characteristics, hoping to uncover its secrets. What they found only deepened the mystery. At first, astronomers believed Oumuamua to be a cigar-shaped object, about 1,300 feet long and 130 feet wide. Its elongated shape was inferred from the way it reflected sunlight, which caused its brightness to vary dramatically as it tumbled through space. However, later studies suggested it might not be cigar-shaped at all. Instead, it could be flat and disc-like, resembling a giant pancake or even a fragment of a shattered celestial body. Either way, its shape was unlike any asteroid or comet ever observed. But what truly baffled scientists was its behavior. Oumuamua was moving at an incredible speed of 196,000 miles per hour, fast enough to escape the sun's gravitational pull. Its hyperbolic trajectory confirmed that it wasn't from our solar system. It was an interstellar object, the first ever detected. Yet as it traveled, it exhibited a strange acceleration, as though something unseen was pushing it along. This acceleration couldn't be explained by gravity alone, and it raised a profound question. What force was acting on Oumuamua? For comets, such acceleration is usually caused by outgassing, jets of gas escaping from the surface, as the sun's heat causes ice to sublimate. But Oumuamua showed no signs of a tail, no visible emissions, and no detectable outgassing. What's more, the acceleration was continuous and stronger than what could be explained by typical cometary activity. This left astronomers scratching their heads, searching for alternative explanations. One of the most controversial theories came from Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist. Loeb proposed that Oumuamua might not be a natural object at all, but rather an alien spacecraft, possibly powered by a light sail. Light sails are a theoretical form of propulsion that uses radiation pressure from stars, or even lasers, to push a spacecraft forward. If Oumuamua were thin, flat, and reflective, it could explain its unusual acceleration. Loeb suggested that it might be an exploratory probe, sent by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization to study distant star systems. Such a claim was bold, and it divided the scientific community. While some embraced the possibility, others argued that more mundane explanations should be considered first. Meanwhile, other researchers explored different ideas. In 2021, a pair of scientists from Arizona State University proposed that Oumuamua might be a fragment of nitrogen ice ejected from a Pluto-like exoplanet. They hypothesized that a massive collision in another solar system could have sent a chunk of frozen nitrogen hurtling through space. As it approached the sun, the heat would have caused the nitrogen ice to sublimate, producing the observed acceleration without generating a visible tail. This explanation was less exotic than the idea of an alien spacecraft, but still raised fascinating questions. What kind of world could produce such an object? And how common are such fragments in the galaxy? Another theory suggested that Oumuamua might be a shard of a planet or moon destroyed by a catastrophic event, such as a collision with a massive asteroid or the tidal forces of a nearby star. Such an event could create debris that escapes its home system and drifts through interstellar space. If Oumuamua were a fragment of planetary crust, its elongated or flattened shape could be a natural consequence of the violent forces that ejected it. Despite these efforts to explain its origin, Oumuamua's exact nature remains a mystery. Its fleeting presence in our solar system left astronomers with only a brief window to study it. By the time it was discovered, it was already on its way out, traveling away from the sun and back into the depths of interstellar space. No telescope was able to capture a detailed image of the object, and much of what we know about it is based on indirect observations and mathematical models. What we do know is that Oumuamua is not alone. In 2019, astronomers detected a second interstellar object, 2I/Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov was unmistakably a comet, complete with a glowing tail and visible outgassing. Its behavior was consistent with what we expect from icy bodies, confirming that interstellar visitors can come in many forms. Yet Borisov's discovery only deepened the mystery of Oumuamua. If Borisov behaved like a typical comet, why was Oumuamua so different? The answer may lie in the diversity of planetary systems across the galaxy. Our solar system is just one of countless star systems, each with its own unique composition, history, and dynamics. The objects that emerge from these systems can be just as varied. Oumuamua's strange characteristics might reflect the conditions of its home system, a place unlike anything we've seen before. But what if Oumuamua wasn't just a natural object? What if it was, as Avi Loeb suggested, an alien probe? The idea of an extraterrestrial civilization sending a spacecraft to explore distant star systems is not as far-fetched as it might seem. Humanity is already developing the technology to do the same. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny, laser-powered light sail probes to nearby stars within the next few decades. If we can imagine such technology, why not an advanced civilization billions of years older than ours? Of course, without direct evidence, the idea of Oumuamua as an alien spacecraft remains speculative, but its discovery has inspired a new era of interstellar exploration. Projects like Lyra are exploring the possibility of sending spacecraft to intercept and study interstellar objects. Using advanced propulsion systems, these missions could provide the data needed to solve the mysteries of Oumuamua and other cosmic wanderers. The challenges of such missions are immense. Oumuamua is traveling at a speed of 196,000 miles per hour, far faster than any spacecraft humanity has ever launched. By the late 2030s, it will have left the solar system entirely, making it nearly impossible to catch. But future interstellar visitors could provide new opportunities. By preparing now, we may one day be able to intercept these objects and uncover their secrets. Oumuamua's brief visit has left an indelible mark on the field of astronomy. It has challenged our assumptions, expanded our horizons, and reminded us of the vastness and mystery of the universe. Whether it was a shard of an alien world, a piece of cosmic debris, or a messenger from an advanced civilization, its story is a testament to the power of exploration and the enduring human desire to understand the unknown. As we continue to study the cosmos, one thing is clear: the universe is full of surprises, and the answers to our greatest questions may come when we least expect them. What do you think Oumuamua truly was? A natural phenomenon? A fragment of another world? Or something far more extraordinary? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're fascinated by the mysteries of space, be sure to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. The universe is calling, and its secrets are waiting to be uncovered. Until next time, keep looking up. The next great mystery could be just around the corner.